Hi guys, this is my David Mosier's knife. The knife's called the Spyro. It has a double bolster, titanium bolster, which is anodized, um, kind of like a brownish gray, and it has two slabs of carbon fiber with carbon fiber backspacer and titanium clip. The knife is, as you can see here, IKBS, and this knife is just beautiful, and it's razor sharp. It flips up very easy. The knife is a titanium liner lock, which I like really much, very much. The knife is it's centered, and it's actually very light. I think it's about 4.2 ounces maybe, or a little bit more, a little bit less, around there. The knife I got from 3 little Indian custom knives from Mr. Amoroso, who is the owner. He's a very nice guy and knowledgeable about knives. He owns a lot of knives actually, because that's his business. When I got this knife, it took a little bit longer than was expected. So he included a gift for me. As you can see, it's very nice ivory from South Africa's warhog, like the one you see in Lion King. This keychain is just keyring. It's amazing. Thank you. Alright, back to knives. As you can see, there's like a scratch. It's because the custom, when they check the knife, they just didn't care if this is a collector's piece or kitchen knife or whatever. They put the key ring and the knife together in a very small in the pouch that came with it, and it scratched it. I was very sad actually, so I wrote to David, and he said that's no problem, he can fix it free. All I have to pay is shipping, and that made me happy again. The problem is that I don't go to the state open a couple of times a year, so you'll have to wait until the next time I goes there. The IKBS flips really easy. If I'm not mistaken, I think Spyro it's David Mosier's first IKBS knife. See the grind? It's almost reflective, but it's not mirror polished. But if you see it, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, if you see it like on the side, you can see like it's almost mirror polished. So that's very interesting. I don't know how he makes that. See my reflection of the finger? But when you see it straight, there's no reflection. That's a very interesting grind. Anyways, it's a recurve with a big belly, and that makes this knife very good slicer and very good stabber. It has a switch over on top, And if you take a look, the grind of the bottom part from the belly down, it's like paper thin. I like that, well, because for sure it will cut well, and since it has a very well, it's not beefy, but it's pretty thick a blade, so this is actually very good tactical knife. Slice, thrust. The liner lock works very fine. The flipper, very fine. There's no flaw in this knife. The jimping works very fine. The jimping is not on top of the blade, which is fine because as you can see, the blade is below the handle, so there's no point to put jimping on the blade. That ruins the aesthetics. The jimping is a very deep cut, so it works very fine. I love the carbon fiber spacer. It feels your palm greatly. See how my hand holds the knife. The knife is 3.75 inches long. Alright guys, my quick preview of the knife, and I carry it today. Feels very good in the pocket. The clip was wonderful. It's not going anywhere, this clip, and it's tip up carry only. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks, bye.